I was born without an incisor tooth, and from my childhood dentist going through braces and everything, they put what's called a Maryland bridge on my mouth, and it was fine for 20 years ago, but then over time it just started wearing out. I knew from previous visits that an implant was the best option. After talking with TJ several times about it and him mapping it out, he said it was going to be the best fit for my mouth to make my smile better, and it will close up all the gaps using the Invisalign and create the space that's needed for the implant. They matched the color of my new tooth to my existing teeth pretty flawlessly, so you can't even really tell which tooth was the implanted tooth. With the implant in, it's just like having your original teeth, as opposed to what I had prior that I was worried about coming out or getting loose or getting food caught behind it. The implant itself is just like a real tooth, it gives you a lot of confidence boost in doing your everyday activities, smiling, walking around, interaction with people, talking to them, you're not covering your mouth when you laugh. Meeting new people, it's not, it's not in the back of my head worrying about like, oh God, there's my Maryland bridge in there. It's like, hey, I got my implant in and everything's as it should be. I would never smile like this previously, but now with the implant in, I do have the confidence to smile.